Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change cover photo on Facebook without posting. So let's get started. So if you want to change your cover photo on Facebook without posting, then what you can do is just simply open up your Facebook account and then tap on the profile icon which is on the top right. You might find a 3-bar icon, just tap on it. And after tapping on the 3-bar icon or your profile icon, now what you have to do is just simply open up your profile and then tap on this camera. And after tapping on that camera, now what you can do is just upload a photo. And after tapping on upload photo, just select a photo that you would like to upload. For example, I would like to upload this photo. Just select that photo and then tap on save, which is on the top right. After tapping on save, just wait for a while to let your photo upload. And after your photo is uploaded, now what you can do is just refresh your account. And after doing that, just scroll down here, and here you can see the photo has been successfully uploaded in your profile. And now to remove this, what you can do is just tap on the 3-dotted icon and then tap on hide from profile and then tap on confirm. And after doing that, you can see there is no photo on your post. So that's it guys, this is how to change cover photo on Facebook without posting. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.